Greetings, YouTube. Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Tuesday, January 14th, 2020. And today we want to bring you guys along for some organic gardening at our 3-foot by 6-foot Hugo Kutcher garden planter. If you've been following the series on this particular planter, you guys recall that we named this planter Sweet Baby Red, that's suggested by our dear friend Sharon Harris out of Tallahassee, Florida. And if you've been following the series on this planter, you also recall that we planted orange hybrid carrots in that planter. We planted collards, we planted dill, we planted arugula, and we planted some Swiss chard, although our Swiss chard didn't fare so well over there in that planter. At any rate, the weather here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia, has been unpredictable, to say the least, so far this winter season. We've had temperatures that have ranged from the low to mid-30s all the way up to the mid-80s this winter so far. And this crazy weather has allowed us to actually grow both winter and summer crops simultaneously in the same garden bed. We're going to show you guys what we mean by that when we spin this camera around. Again, we planted carrots, orange hybrid carrots, we planted collard greens, we planted dill, we planted arugula, and we planted Swiss chard in this planter. Our Swiss chard again didn't do so well, but everything else is doing fantastic in this planter. We're going to spin this camera around for you guys right now and show you exactly what we got going on over here and show you exactly what we mean when we say that our weather has allowed us to grow both summer and cool weather crops simultaneously in the same garden bed in a companion planting type situation. Hang tight, YouTube. Yeah. Our 3-foot by 6-foot Hugo Kutcher garden planter that we named Sweet Baby Red, again suggested by our dear friend Sharon Harris out of Tallahassee, Florida. And here's what we have going on in our planter this morning. We have 3 rows of orange hybrid carrots. We received these seeds as a gift from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. These seeds are a product of Johnny Selected Seeds up in Winslow, Maine. Here we have 1 row of collards. We received these collard green seeds again from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee, and they're again a product of Johnny Selected Seeds up in Winslow, Maine. Here in that back row, we have a row of dill. Oh my God, our dill is doing so well for this to be the middle of winter. Our dill is doing fantastic back there in that back row. But here in this last row here, we also have a row of arugula. And can you guys see how well that arugula is doing here in our 3-foot by 6-foot Hugo Kutcher garden planter Sweet Baby Red? As you guys all know, crops like arugula, collard greens, and carrots, those are all cool weather crops. These crops don't do so well when the temperatures are anything above about 70 degrees. These crops don't do so well. 65, 70 degrees, these crops don't do so well. And they're doing fantastic here in our 3-foot by 6-foot Hugo Kutcher garden planter. But looking at the back row back there, I'm gonna take you guys right to the other side of this planter. Take a look at that dill. Anybody who knows anything about dill knows that dill is a heat-loving crop. Again, we've had temperatures all the way down in the low to mid-30s. Our dill has not suffered one bit. In fact, we've been harvesting this dill on a weekly basis here. Every time we cook something that we use dill for, any recipe that we use dill in, we come out here, we take what we need from our dill plants out here, and it seems like the more we crop this dill, the faster it grows. So we've been loving that. We're not going to harvest our dill all at one time. We intend to continue to harvest this dill throughout the spring, summer, and fall months here if it survives on into the winter, and next year if it survives that long. I think dill is one of those crops that starts to become woody after a couple of years. So after the end of this growth season, we may have to actually replace this dill, but we're very, very, very satisfied with how well our dill is doing here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia, in the middle of winter, guys. Can you see that? That dill has not suffered one bit. And again, it's been cold. We've had some warmer days, but it has been cold here. Our carrots are doing extremely well. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up one of these guys for you guys and show you just how much progress they've made. They're not quite ready yet, but we're gonna pull up one for you guys anyway and show you what type of size we have on these carrots at this point. Let's take this guy right here since it's kind of close to the edge and close to those other two plants over there. But we're going to do a quick little show and tell of what we got going on with our carrots here at Sweet Baby Red. Again, today is January the 14th, 2020, and this is what our carrots are looking like at this point in the growth season. You see that, YouTube? I'm really satisfied with both the length and diameter of these carrots at this time. We have an overall length there of about 7 inches and a diameter of at least an inch. I'm gonna let these carrots go here in our garden bed at least another 30 days before we do our harvest on those. We'll come back the next time we use dill for one of our recipes inside. We'll come back and show you guys how we go about harvesting our dill. We have yet to try this arugula. We haven't tried it yet, so we fully intend to get this dill incorporated into one of our salad recipes or something like that sometime soon. We'll bring you guys back to that video. And our collard greens. Again, you guys know we do organic gardening here. We don't use any type of granular fertilizer or any type of liquid fertilizer here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. The only fertilizer that we use is composted cow manure. And while our collards have not grown at a geometric rate, they are looking good. We haven't fertilized this bed in over a month and a half, almost 2 months now. We're going to wrap a little cow manure around all of our plants in here. Hopefully we'll continue to get the type of rainfall we've been getting. We've been getting several showers per week here so far this winter, and we're really satisfied with that. But at any rate, we will bring you guys back indeed for our first harvest of collard green leaves here in probably about a month. They're looking pretty good here at this point, and absolutely no pest issues, no worms, no holes, no nothing. So we're really pleased with that. At any rate, YouTube, this is indeed exactly what is going on at our 3-foot by 6-foot cubiculture garden planter that we named Sweet Baby Red, as suggested by our dear friend Sharon Harris out of Tallahassee, Florida. Hi, Sharon, and thank you, my friend. And this is what's going on in your planter, Miss Sharon. We're really pleased with what we see. At any rate, YouTube, if you are indeed watching this video and you're not currently already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really would appreciate it. Yeah. Organic carrots, dill, collards, and arugula. Right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching.